You are welcome to this video. Now, do you know it is possible to make millions of naira or millions of dollars online with Google advertising arbitrage, which we also call attention arbitrage? If you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification icon. Let me show you how much I've been able to make in a single month with Google ads arbitrage. Okay, I want to show you the screenshots and the earnings proof of one of the worst months whereby I made the lowest earning in Nigeria. Yeah, so check it out and let's get onto it. When you check out this statement, okay, I have to generate a statement for this in my online banking, and you know, when you see this date here, you're going to see let me highlight it for you. You are going to see July 1 to July 31st. Do you understand that? So this is a statement of July of this year of 2022 that I'm showing you. Do you understand that? Now when you check out my account balance, the name of bank, and when you see the account balance as of this time, do you understand now that is before July, you're going to see the account balance of 388,932 naira. Do you understand now? You're going to see this on the screen right now, which I highlighted. Okay, so let's scroll down. Now these are the narrations of the credit and debit and all this kind of, but fast forward, let me just go down. Do you understand now? Let me go to the let me just go down here, and you're going to see something like debit count, which is 11. Okay, but you just get everything straight to the point. You're going to see something like credit count. Okay, these are the amount. This is the total amount I got as a credit. Okay, I got credited in this bank account. Now when I go to this side, you're going to see 10. Do you understand? When I see this total credit amount, you're going to see 105,000 naira. Okay, you're going to see 105,820. okay, which is the total amount made in July 2022. I'm being plain here. This is the I would just say the worst month. Do you understand? Whereby I made the list. I had to just purposely go to that particular month whereby I made the list. So what do we mean by Google ads arbitrage? Google advertising arbitrage. This is the process by which you buy Google ads. You buy ads for people. Do you understand? For business owners on Google ads, and by which you get paid your own clean profits in the process of that. Do you understand that? You make your own clean profits. Okay, now when you look at the word arbitrage is the act of investing into something by which you can get some gains, you can get returns. Do you understand now? So now these business owners want to perform an arbitrage on Google ads. Okay, they want ads, they want to do attention arbitrage, and you stand as a middleman. Do you understand now? To help them run these ads, okay, buy this advertising for them on Google ads, and by which you get your own payment massively. Okay, you get your own payment, you get paid. Do you understand now? So this is something you can do even as a student, anybody, so far you master the act of running Google ads or YouTube ads. Don't worry, I will leave a link to videos like that, okay, how to run Google ads or how to run YouTube ads in the description box below. Don't worry, just keep on watching. There is one thing I want you to understand, that making money with Google advertising arbitrage is beyond the scope of something that you could just drop on a video like that. No, it's not something that you can drop on a video, because I'm actually going to be teaching you how to get clients that will pay you, how to get clients that will pay you massively. Do you understand? That are desperate for your services, for you to be able to perform this Google ads arbitrage for them and pay you massively. How to get rich clients, and you need the ability to target only those who are interested in your Google ads arbitrage services. Do you understand now? You need the ability, you need to be coached on how to speak to these people for them to be able to convert well, how to carry yourself, how to set up your profile, and some things you need to do. Do you understand that? So that is why you can chat me on this number, okay, for more information like that, to join coaching, our coaching program that would teach you all these things. Already there is a video that will teach you how to run Google ads and YouTube ads in the description link. You can click on it, learn it, master it, and when you master it, you will still need to get some clients, you will still need to get people by which are desperate to get these Google ads services from you. So by so doing, you can chat me on WhatsApp, and I will coach you and mentor you more on how you can be able to turn this into a very high income machine. Do you understand, into something that could feed you almost every single day. I'm telling you, this is I've been able to make a lot of money in this stuff. You can check the screenshots that I sent to you. You saw the statement I sent to you. That was the worst month of 2022. I'm just showing you that's over 100k clean profit. Do you understand? So you too can do it. If I can't do it, you too can do it. This is what we call attention arbitrage. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can drop your comment if you have any question. Chat me on WhatsApp. Hit that like button, subscribe, and see you on the next video. My name is Ayo, and stay healthy.